HappyB, and I have a confession. I love to snack. Every single waking moment, I just want to munch on something. I want to eat something salty, and then after that, I want to eat something sweet, and then after that, I want to eat something salty. But the problem nowadays is that sometimes I do want a snack, but there's nothing in the pantry, or I'm sick of whatever is there. So today I'm going to show you guys how to solve this snackish problem with a few pieces of sliced bread. For our ingredients, we only need a few things: sliced bread, milk, butter, sugar, and some spices. The first thing we want to do is to just cut up our bread. So right now I'm going to use scissors. I don't know why I said it that way. Okay, this time I'm going to use scissors, but you guys can use a knife. You can tear it up with your hands, do whatever you want. Just make sure to slice it up into popcorn-sized bits. I'm really excited for this recipe because I feel like this is sort of the grown-up version of this bread dish that I did while I was a child, while I was in elementary school. So, okay, I don't know if you guys did this too, but I would take bread, smear some butter on top. I remember I would hate it when we'd have the unspreadable butter and then I put a hole in my bread, but then after that I top it up with a thick layer of sugar and then put it in the oven or the turbo and then toast it up. So for some reason, I don't recall looking this up on the internet or it being a trend at all. So I guess I thought in my child brain that I was a genius and I invented this recipe. But then when I grew up and in high school and college, whenever I talk to people and I talk about this bread thing I made, some people would say they made it also. So weird thing. I don't know, maybe it's just in our Filipino genes and we know how to make that butter sugar recipe. But yeah. So after you do all that cutting, trust me, you're almost done. That is majority of the work. So we'll put this into a pan to crisp up. We just want to toast it up real good. This is the only hard part of this snack. You have to wait. So after being very patient, your breads should, guess you can call them breads. Your breadcrumbs should be lightly toasted. For the caramel syrup, we're just going to add 4 parts sugar and then 3 parts water. If you have a spoon, just put 4 spoonfuls of the sugar and then 3 spoonfuls of the water. Then we'll just move the pan a little bit to distribute the sugar and water, but do not use a spoon or anything to stir the pan. Then once it boils, that's when we add the butter. After the butter is melted, we can add 5 spoonfuls of our milk. Mix it all up until it gets that caramel color. At this point, we're going to add in our spices. So I have salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. These are my favorite spices: salt, nutmeg, and cinnamon. One of my favorite desserts are always the ones that are sweet and salty. That's a dangerous one. Nako, delikado talaga tayo dyan when it's sweet and salty. I just like keep eating it because you don't get sawa so quickly. So yeah, put that in there. And then once your syrup is thick, we can combine it with our toasted bread. So after you mix up your bread with the caramel syrup, all you have to do is put it on a flat surface and separate your popcorns. So that's just like an optional step, but if you want each piece to like dry as one individual popcorn, that's really nice. So you can use a parchment paper, but I don't have one of those. I have foil, so I just like took a stick of butter and did this to it, and then let it cool. Oh my God. Piece of hair. Bonk. Oops. I'll eat it, don't worry. Once it dries up, you can put it in your preferred bowl. I have a small one here just so we can get the illusion of that there is a lot even though there's not much popcorn here. Let's taste. Slightly chewy from the caramel. So I believe if this 100% hardens already, it'll be a really crispy bread popcorn. Oh my gosh, I love the hint of cinnamon. It's so good, perfect for people who are really into apple pie or cinnamon rolls. This is a really good way for you to quench that craving. I'm so ready to go watch a new show or a new movie. You guys can let me know what you're watching down below and I'll eat it with this bread popcorn. I hope you guys enjoy this video and see you guys next time.